Number 12 on the QR code review wants us to figure out how much a senior ticket and a child ticket costs. So the first step in my word problem process is to define my variables. So I'm going to let S be the cost of a senior ticket and let C be the cost of a child ticket. So step 2 of your process is going to be after I've read it and read it again, I've defined my variables. After that, I'm going to relate my variables. So it says in the problem that on the first day that I sold 25 senior tickets and 15 child tickets, and we brought in a grand total of $377.50. And now on the next day, it says you sold 5 senior tickets and 10 child tickets, and you brought in a total of $117.50. And the question is, how much did each ticket cost? So I'm noticing right here that 25S and 5S, if I just multiplied this entire equation by a -5, then my S's would cancel out and I could easily figure out what my C value is going to be. So I'm going to do that. So -5 times my 5S is -25S. -5 times positive 10C is a -50C. -5 times 117.50 is going to be -587.5. Now, rewriting the original top equation, 25S plus 15C is equal to 377.5. You don't have to necessarily rewrite that, but I like to just kind of see where I'm going. And if I add these things vertically, hopefully you can see that the S's now cancel out. -50 plus 35 or plus 15 is going to be a -35C. On the other side, -587.50 plus 377 is 50 is going to give us -210. I just calculated that on the calculator on the side. Then I'm going to divide both sides by -35. So therefore C is going to be 6. So a child ticket costs $6. Okay, that's the first thing. Then I have to go back and plug it back in. It doesn't matter where you plug it into. So I'm going to take this value and I think I'm going to put it right there for that one. So I'm going to have 5S plus 10. Now, instead of writing down a C, we're going to put in a 6 there because we just figured out that it was $6. And then on the other side is equal to 117.5. And then we're just going to go ahead and solve for S. So 5S plus 60 is 117.5. So subtract 60 from both sides. So 5S is now equal to 117.50 minus the 60 is 57.50. And then we're going to divide by 5 on both sides. So a senior ticket is then $11.50, okay? So seniors are $11.50, child is $6, and that's how you solve that system for number 12.